Hey Ashley, just wanted to provide an update on the design based on the comments. So you had mentioned making the other side go up at a 30-degree angle, just like that side. So now if we look at, let me see if I can find it. If we look at the piping structure, it looks like this, um, coming up from both sides. I increased the diameter of this from 1 to 1.5 because I was concerned that 3D printing might not have as good resolution. So by increasing this, we're kind of getting a better guarantee that it can be 3D printed well. Um, let's see. I've added these extrusions here that will allow for a fitting to go in. There just wasn't enough room for the fitting to go in if I didn't do those extrusions, so let me know if that's okay. As you can see, it comes out, these are threaded with M3 taps, and they're cosmetic threads, so they would be able to be 3D printed. Um, Let me just give you a little bit of the measurements we're looking at here. So from here to over here is 24 millimeters. From this face to this face is 34 millimeters, so 3.7, 3.4 centimeters. From here to here, 22 millimeters. All right, so that's that. Once again, this design can only be 3D printed. It's not a one for normal machining. Um, Here it is with the recommended fittings. These are for 1 millimeter hose. So they come in like that. Um, let's take a cross-section view. So yeah, the fittings come in. I could probably reduce this distance a little bit. It looks like not all of it's needed. But they have this rubber gland that goes around them to seal like that. Um, these are off-the-shelf components that can be purchased. Let me just share with you that. So here they are. They're really expensive, actually. They're $20 each, um, but I'm not sure what the cost of the unit would be, and you could probably find these cheaper somewhere. But if you would get back to me on what the cost of this item that you're making would be, it will give me a better idea of what type of long-term machining you might be looking at, or maybe it's injection molded. I'm not sure. It all depends on the volume and the cost. So are you going to be making 5 of them, 20 of them, 1,000 of them? Are they going for $5 each? Are they going for $100 each? All of that would be necessary for me to know to determine what the long-term machining goals should be, and then that dictates design, how it's designed. But overall, you wanted something that could be 3D printed and have like an in-hand prototype, and it would be something that you're looking at here. So let me know if this meets your expectations or what you would like to see different. Thanks.